Have you ever looked at a tiny spice in your kitchen and thought, could this actually change my health? What if I told you that something as small as 2 cloves a day could quietly start transforming your body faster than you might expect? Imagine this. A woman just like many of us, dealing with everyday issues, low energy, occasional bloating, and constant fatigue. Nothing extreme, nothing alarming, just the kind of things people ignore and push through. Then one day, she adds a simple habit to her routine, chewing just 2 cloves every day. At first, nothing dramatic happens. But within days, something feels different. Her digestion improves, that heavy, uncomfortable feeling after meals slowly fading. Then her energy starts to rise. Not like caffeine spikes, but steady, clean energy. And within weeks, even her skin begins to look clearer. Sounds surprising, right? Now before we go any further, let me say this clearly. This content is for educational purposes only and not medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before making any major changes, especially if you have existing health conditions. But what's really going on here? Why would something as simple as cloves have such noticeable effects? Let's break it down in a way that actually makes sense. Cloves are not just a spice you sprinkle into tea or desserts. They are packed with powerful natural compounds, especially something called eugenol. Now don't worry about the name, what matters is what it does. Eugenol is known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. In simple terms, it helps your body fight off harmful bacteria and reduce internal irritation. Think about your digestive system. Every day it deals with processed food, sugar, stress, and sometimes harmful microbes. Over time, this can lead to bloating, gas, and sluggish digestion. When you chew cloves regularly, you're basically giving your digestive system a gentle reset. That's why many people report feeling lighter, less bloated, and more comfortable after meals. And here's where it gets even more interesting. Cloves can also support oral health. If you've ever had tooth pain, you might already know this. Clove oil has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for toothaches. So when you chew cloves daily, you're not just helping your gut, you're also improving your oral hygiene. It helps reduce bacteria in your mouth, which can lead to fresher breath and healthier gums. Now imagine starting your day with something that benefits both your mouth and your stomach at the same time. Simple, but powerful. But wait, there's more. One of the most overlooked benefits of cloves is their impact on blood sugar levels. Now this doesn't mean cloves are a magic cure, but some studies suggest that compounds in cloves may help improve insulin function and support balanced blood sugar. And if your blood sugar is more stable, what happens? You avoid those sudden crashes. You feel more consistent energy throughout the day. You're less likely to crave sugary snacks. And over time, that can make a big difference in your overall health. Now let me ask you something. How often do you rely on quick fixes for energy? Coffee, sugar, energy drinks? What if a small daily habit could help you feel naturally more energized? This is where cloves quietly shine. Because they don't force your body into high alert. They support it gently. Now around this point, you might be thinking, okay, this sounds great, but how exactly should I use cloves? Good question. The simplest way is exactly what the title suggests. Chewing 2 cloves a day. You can do it in the morning on an empty stomach or after meals. Yes, the taste is strong, a bit spicy, slightly numbing, but many people get used to it quickly. And that numbing sensation, that's actually part of what helps with oral bacteria. If chewing feels too intense, you can also soak cloves in warm water and drink it as tea. But chewing tends to give more direct benefits. Now here's something important. More is not always better. Stick to small amounts. 2 cloves a day is enough for most people. Overconsumption can lead to irritation or discomfort. Balance is key. Now let's go back to the story. After a few weeks, this woman noticed something unexpected. Her immunity seemed stronger. Seasonal sniffles, less frequent. Minor infections, easier to recover from. Why? Because cloves are rich in antioxidants. These help your body fight oxidative stress, the kind of internal damage that builds up over time. And when your body has more antioxidant support, your immune system can function more efficiently. It's like giving your body better tools to defend itself. And here's where it gets really fascinating. Some people even report improvements in skin clarity. Now this doesn't happen overnight, but when your digestion improves, toxins are processed better, and inflammation reduces, your skin often reflects that clearer, healthier, more balanced. Not because of a cream or serum, but because of what's happening inside your body. Pretty powerful, right? Now, if you're finding this helpful so far, make sure to subscribe to Waterling Hub for more simple, science-backed health tips that actually make sense in real life. Because sometimes the smallest habits bring the biggest changes. Now let's talk about something many people don't expect. Cloves may also support liver health. Your liver works non-stop filtering toxins, processing nutrients, managing chemicals. But modern lifestyles can put a lot of pressure on it. Certain compounds in cloves may help reduce oxidative stress in the liver and support its natural detox functions. Again, not a miracle solution, but a supportive one. Think of it as helping your body do what it's already designed to do, just a little more efficiently. Now I want to be real with you for a moment. Cloves are not magic. They won't replace a healthy diet. They won't fix serious medical conditions overnight. But they can be part of a smarter, more mindful approach to health. And that's what matters. Because real health isn't about extremes. It's about consistent, simple choices. Now let's address a common concern. Who should be careful with cloves? If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking blood-thinning medications, it's important to talk to your doctor first. Cloves can have strong effects, and they're not suitable for everyone in large amounts. Also, if you have a sensitive stomach, start slowly. Maybe try 1 clove first, and see how your body responds. Always listen to your body. Now imagine this. A small daily habit takes less than a minute, costs almost nothing. But over time, it helps your digestion, supports your immunity, improves oral health, and maybe even boosts your energy. That's the power of consistency. Not overnight miracles, but steady progress. And that's what most people overlook. They search for complicated solutions, when sometimes the answer is already sitting in their kitchen. So the next time you see cloves, you might look at them a little differently, not just as a spice, but as a quiet ally for your health. And before we wrap up, if you enjoy simple, natural health insights like this, make sure to subscribe to Dr. Waterling Hub and stay connected for more videos that help you take control of your well-being, one small step at a time. Because at the end of the day, it's not about doing everything perfectly. It's about doing small things consistently and letting time do the rest. Stay healthy, stay aware, and I'll see you in the next video.